God, these bugs won't leave me alone. Ow. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. Bug, get away from me. Oh my God, look at the plane. Look at the plane. What? Where's the plane? There's the plane. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's a plane, it's a plane, don't worry, it's a plane. Is that thing dumping fuel? I'm serious, is that thing dumping fuel? Yo, is that thing dumping fuel? That's what it sure looks like. It just started route, so. Oop, about to zoom out. Oh, that tickled. Ooh, 4-leaf clover. I'm just kidding, I don't see one. Only if you see one in the comments. Alright. I'm probably just gonna watch the clouds go by. Ow! Okay. Just clouds, man. Clouds are sick. Really think about it, it's just mist. Mist getting that high in the air is sick. Look at them move. They're going hundreds of miles per hour. And it looks like they're going 10. Hundreds of thousands of miles per hour. Sheesh. Sheesh. Oh. Okay, that one kind of looks like the Death Star. With an H around it. Or that kind of looks like a TIE fighter. That looks like an arrow. It's pointing that way. That's where Nick is, but I don't know why you need help. No way. I see an